You're refreshing flight websites every 5 minutes. And suddenly, UAE and Iran just announced the return of direct flights from July 1st. But wait, is this for everyone? Which airlines are flying? And why is this such a big deal? Let's find out in just 2 minutes. After months of suspended flights, direct passenger services between the UAE and Iran are officially returning. Airlines have started restoring flights in phases after safety reviews by aviation authorities. This means travelers will once again be able to fly directly between the two countries without extra stopovers. This isn't just about airplanes. It reconnects families, supports businesses, boosts tourism, and makes travel much easier. Thousands of passengers travel between the UAE and Iran every year for work, medical visits, education, and family reasons. Direct flights save both time and money compared to connecting flights. If you're planning to travel, remember that flights are returning gradually. Not every airline will resume all routes immediately. Before booking, always check. Have a checkmark flight schedules. Have a checkmark visa requirements, since schedules may change depending on operational and safety updates. So yes, direct UAE-Iran flights are officially making a comeback, bringing easier travel and stronger regional connections. Would you travel on one of these flights? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel and international news updates.